Alrighty guys, as you can tell, we got a lot cut out for us for dog aggression with the dog aggression and fearfulness, so go ahead and follow with our team practice. I said your name the first time, I was like... Click, 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 turn, good. Keep walking, good, very good. A lot of it is just making sure that you have a steady walk, because I can kind of see the anxiety going between the two of you, really. Click, click, good. Feedback, tell her good girl. Very good. and then stop. Tell her sit. Oh, beautiful. All right, go ahead and tell her down. Good. All right, go ahead and take your leash off. Go ahead and take a couple steps back, and then you're gonna break her with arms wide open.
Ahsoka, break.
There you go. She's like, you're so bossy, Mom. Walk, keep walking. Good. Make your turn. Good, beautiful. Go, click, click, click. All right, go ahead and say her name and stop. Beautiful. Go ahead and tell her, oh, you cheater. Tell her sit. Keep increasing. Keep increasing. Again. Good. Okay, now tell her down. She's like, son of a bitch, I just did that. All right, go ahead and take your leash off. Take a couple steps back. And whenever you're ready, go ahead and tell her break. Lots of love. Good girl. Stand up. Good. Tell her down. Good. Walk over to the shade again. This time we're going to tell her come instead of place. So if you want to kick over the cat a little bit. Okay. Bend.
Come.
Good girl.
Good girl.
Stand up. Sit. Good. Tell her down. Good. Okay. Go ahead and we'll do one more recall or place, whichever of your choice. She anticipated that a little bit. That's where I would just reset her. Good. Now let's do place one last time over here. And then we'll go ahead and do the release.
Ahsoka, place.
Good girl.
Good girl. Place.
Again.
Ahsoka.
Very good.
Place.
Very good. Stand up. Okay. Okay, go ahead and walk away a little bit, and then whenever you're ready, you're gonna say break with your arms wide open and super excited.
Break.
Lots of love.
Good girl.
Awesome.